Don't complain to people, my brothers and sisters. Nobody likes it. No person likes someone to come and say, oh, I'm going through a hard time, I'm suffering, wallahi. But Allah loves you to tell your difficulty and to have tawassul, to come near to Allah by mentioning the problem that you are having and recognizing no one can get you out of it except Allah. So dua. The second, وَإِذَا اسْتَعَنْتَ فَاسْتَعِنْ بِاللَّهِ. Ask Allah to help you. Seek Allah's help. Realize that you can't get yourself out of a problem. Whatever problem it is, family problems, emotional problems, marriage problems, money problems, problems with kids, whatever problem you're in, my brothers, you can't take yourself out of that problem. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can help you. So you realize that I need Allah's help. The hadith, be keen for what will benefit you. Do your best, what you can, run around, do what you can, but realize you need to beg Allah for His help and never ever feel helpless.